Hello from the Nouvelle Medical Spa, Dr. Hanna, Dr. Jack here, and we have one of most beautiful model and one of my favorite too. So we just finished microneedling with PRP, and the microneedling we used a gadget which is a MicroPen that has got between 20 to 30 microscopic needles that arise from this little opening. And when it is activated, it has a vibrationary way. It goes in and out very quickly through the skin, so it decreases the amount of the discomfort that we put on the skin. We also help with the skin by putting some numbing medication before. So our model here was prepared, and we have done the microneedling. We go very thin over the forehead and under the eyes, and we do a little heavier, deeper penetration with the microneedling on the cheeks and the chin and other area of the face. Have to be very gentle and very careful around the nose and the upper lips and the lower eyelids. So after this, the patient or the model will actually get some effect of the microneedling. The skin will look a little red and a little hot. The PRP, which is a plasma, is used to go through these microscopic needles. The needle makes some holes into the skin, very microscopic holes, so you can understand that they are multiple. The plasma goes through these opening to the underlying part of the skin. So not only that we do microneedling on the outside of the skin, we take care of the inside of the skin with the PRP. And another added feature that we did here also for our beautiful model, we're taking care of the dark circles under the eyes. And one of the area that we do work under the eyes, we use the plasma in an artificial syringe, and we put it intentionally into a specific area under the eyes to take care of the dark circles under the eyes. So we did that already, and then at the finishing, we put a face mask. It's usually kept in the fridge. The skin is really hot after this procedure, and it enjoyed tremendously the face mask. It has a little of hyaluronic acid cream or gel, and we're going to be giving that patient also some instruction that you will be applying that as a post-op care.
So what to expect now is a beautiful new skin that has much less wrinkles, much less dark spots in the next few weeks. I think you will love it.
Can't wait.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Here we are, microneedling. How was it?
It was amazing.
Did you enjoy it?
I did. These two were amazing and had the best technique. I can't wait to see the results.
We are so happy to have this little girl here. And we love her to pieces. And you guys have a great day. And remember, when it comes to beauty, it has to be Nouvelle Medical Spa. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye.